In today's video, I'll be answering one of the most important questions about my mining rig. Since I uploaded my last video, Ethereum was around $4,000 and everything was going great. Since then, I have been receiving a ton of questions on that video, pretty much from people wondering how much money is my mining rig making right now. We all know, once I started mining, Ethereum was priced around $4,000 and it got up to $4,200. But then Ethereum had a major pullback. It went from $4,200 all the way down to $1,800. And right now Ethereum is hovering around $2,700. So in today's video, I will answer that question and I will show you my hash rate and how much money I am making right now after the price of Ethereum took like a 40% dip. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below. And if you have any questions whatsoever about my mining rig, my setup, how much money I'm making, all that stuff, drop it in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer all the questions and help you guys out as much as I possibly can. And now let's go to my studio so we can continue this video so we don't have to hear this back noise. Let's go. But before I show you my most recent numbers, I want to give you some insight about my rig if this is your first time watching. So I spent $3,500 on this rig. Then I ended up buying a monitor and a couple of cables. So my total cost for this rig is $3,700. I did end up purchasing it used off of the Facebook marketplace. So my goal is to pretty much mine Ethereum as long as possible and accumulate as much of it for the long term. As of right now, I am keeping all the Ethereum that I have mined and I haven't sold anything whatsoever. I'm simply accumulating as much Ethereum as possible. I know probably at the end of this year, Ethereum mining will cease to exist. And then I will transition into mining a different coin and I will continue the process. And now without further ado, let's jump over to the computer screen so you can see exactly how much money I'm making right now. Let's go. Alright, so now here's the Ethereum pool that I'm mining in. We're gonna click the refresh button real quick so you can see all the updated information. As of right now, I am mining $18.51 every single day worth of Ethereum. And right here, based on this 1851 number, I'll be mining $129.58 worth of Ethereum. So far in this week, I have mined $267 worth of Ethereum. And then my last week's payment was $289.21 worth of Ethereum. These numbers are way lower compared to my first week of mining. On the first week, I made over $400 mining Ethereum. But at that time, the price of 1 ETH was over $4,000. Now, I am pretty much making half of that what I used to before. And right here, you are able to see my real-time mega hashes. And right now, it is 287. Reported hash rate is 257. And my average hash rate for my mining rig is 256.99. When we scroll down, you will see the chart that pretty much shows my mega hashes and the average for the day, for the week as well, and for the month. As you can see, it is pretty much consistent between 250 and 300 mega hashes on my mining rig. But one thing that I do want to mention, 2 weeks ago, I pretty much changed the address where my Ethereum was going to, and it pretty much reset the entire chart. That is why it is only showing that it mined the total of $289 worth of Ethereum, and it is not showing the first week. And in this box right here, you will see that I have $267 worth of Ethereum that has not been paid out yet. Right now, my payout is at 97%. But hopefully at the end of today, I will earn an extra $18, which will put me over 100%, and I will get paid. And then right here, I should have close to $600 of Ethereum that my mining rig has made over the last 2 weeks. So I am super excited about that. This is no surprise to me. I know when the price of Ethereum falls, my mining rig is going to be less profitable. Also, if the price of Ethereum continues to go up, then my mining rig will make more money. So now that you have seen how much money my mining rig is making right now, after we had a big correction in Ethereum and pretty much the entire crypto market, you're probably wondering, so what is your plan going forward? It is very simple. I'm going to continue to mine Ethereum. I'm going to continue to accumulate it. I'm not going to sell any of it. I'm just storing it into a wallet for long-term growth. I believe Ethereum is an excellent long-term project, and I want to accumulate as much of it as possible. Personally, I do not care if the price of Ethereum drops down to $500 or goes back up to $5,000. All the Ethereum that my mining rig mines, I will simply store it. I will not sell any of it whatsoever. I want to accumulate as much Ethereum for the long term. I'm talking about 5, 10, 15 years down the road. So that is what I plan on doing with my mining rig. Even if I'm mining at a loss, I will probably continue to mine because I believe in Ethereum and I believe long term the price will be even higher than it is right now. Also, one other thing that I would like to mention, most likely like 99.99%, I will end up staking all of my Ethereum in order to earn ETH 2.0 and in order to accumulate even more. That is my plan going forward, and that is what I plan on doing. Also, I am still shopping for more mining rigs and I am looking to expand my mining operation. But as of right now, all the rigs that I am coming across are way overpriced. Most of the ones that I'm buying are used just like that one, but they are super overpriced right now. People are charging double, triple what I paid for mine. So right now I'm being very strategic. I'm looking for rigs that are priced accordingly. I'm not going to spend 2 or 3 times more than what the rig is worth. So right now I'm shopping around, trying to find that perfect deal on a mining rig. And once I do, best believe I'll be making another video showing you the rig and how much money it is making. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick little video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Check out the links in the description box below as well. If you want some free crypto with BlockFi, check out the KuCoin exchange. If you want to trade and make money in crypto, all that good stuff, and all the other links as well. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.